So Palantir Technologies at 180.87 today. But one interesting thing about this is previous close was 177 and it opened at 176, and then now Palantir is at 180. So there was a some change in the price since this morning until today. So what I have done on Palantir, as I said, one of the strategies that I employ is take a small profit, and this doesn't require much efforts. You just need to keep an eye on the market. If market goes down dramatically, just buy 5, 10 of the stocks that you watch every day, or maybe one of the stocks under the radar for you. And Palantir is one because there is a big swing all the time. Specifically, at least in a week, 1 or 2 times you will see a big swing, big swing. With that, let me bring up my phone to have a small trade. So this morning I bought PLTR 5 shares at 171.80 because there was a big swing this morning at 171.80, and let's see what's the current price right now. So Palantir Technologies is at 181.33 at somewhat closing time. So 171 to 181. So I had just bought 5 shares and I'm just going to close this 5 shares this afternoon. Okay, so here we are, Palantir PLTR here, 181.42. I have $46, about $47 gain. So I'm going to close that and say close position. I am just going to have a limit market because we are just recording this video live. I'll just say just sell it at a market price, submit sell order, transmit, and it's gone. So here we are. Palantir sold at 181.41 at market, and the gain is $46.07. So it was pretty easy this morning until this afternoon to get the $46 in pocket. With that, let's review what I did this morning. Particularly in this account, I bought Tesla just one share at $418.64 just at the beginning of the market because market was down. I also bought one share of Meta at 7 or 229. I bought Palantir 171.80 and then I sold this afternoon. And then I also bought Nvidia at 181.14. There were 10 shares for Nvidia. So Nvidia is still down. As you can see here from top, I have 110 shares. The 10 shares I just bought this morning. Um, I have some gain with my shares, but then I have also sold October 24, 2025, 190 call. That is in gain right now because Nvidia is $6 down today. So I'm going to close this 190 call and just move strike price to either 190 to 50 or whatever the price I get. And the goal here is to just take the profit out of it in case Nvidia just zooms out of here. That will protect a little bit further during this couple of weeks that they're still going on. So I had bought this call. I had sold this call for $4.60, 460, and right now it's trading at about 206, 208. So approximately $241.77 gain. I'm just going to get this gain out of it, and then we'll see which strike price to again to sell. So close. So I'm going to put the buy price at 219. In this particular account, I don't have the data subscription, so I made another account that I am looking at it right now, and that one is either 217 or 218. So I'm going to say 218, submit buy order, transmit order, and there you go. That one has been closed now. And so I'm going to get the another chain here. Okay, so as I showed it to you earlier, I closed 190 at about 200, 218, 219, and now I'm going to open another one at 192, 2.5. So idea is if Nvidia goes higher from here, at least I will have a $250 more because I closed 190, I'm opening 192.5. So I'm going to sell Nvidia October 24, that is in 10 days or 2 weeks from now, and see 192.5. Let's see, it's about trading at about 152, 154. So 192 order 1.53. I'm going to just maybe or maybe say 152. Done. Submit sell order, transmit order, and there you go. So as you can see on screen, earlier I sold Palantir, get the $46.07 in gain. Then I closed my October 24 190 call, bought at 217, so I had a 241.51 as gain, and then I moved my expiry further at 192.50 and I sold at 1.53. In the event that Nvidia goes higher from here, I have already 100 shares. So this is a covered call. In the event that Nvidia doesn't reach at 192.5, then I will keep $153 in premium. Let's review what I did in my other accounts as well. On October 14, that is today, I also bought Amazon 5 shares at 214.86. Again, when market opened today, there was a big swing in the market. Dow Jones and Nasdaq both were down, and so I took opportunity and bought 5 shares of Amazon. I also added just one share of CRWE CoreWeave Technologies at 131.95. And as I showed it earlier, I had bought Nvidia 10 shares today, Palantir, Meta 1 share, Tesla 1 share, and just some of these trades that I did in this particular account. In my another retirement account, I bought Nvidia 10 shares at 180.62 at just the beginning of the trading session. Okay, in this account, I have Nvidia 610 shares, the 10 shares I just bought this morning. So I added that. I have some gain in Nvidia shares, but at the same time, I had sold two calls. So one is October 17th, 190 calls, which this went down. This one it came in gain because Nvidia is again down 665. And there is another call November 21st for 200 call is 270.95. There's another third call that I had sold December 19th, 2025, 220 call, which is also in gain at 235. These are just my other NVIDIA trades. 195 call is in a negative right now, but since I have shares to cover, so this is a covered call. I'm not worried in the event that NVIDIA goes higher from here. And also, I had bought about 3 calls here. To this is like insurance in the event that Nvidia goes or zooms um, around 200 plus. So I have 275 call, 280 call, and 300 call. I probably this 3 call will expire worthless, so I probably will lose premium on this one. But at the same time, I'm selling calls as and when the new trade comes up. So I hopefully this will overall provide me a gain. Also, in the event that Nvidia goes higher from here, I have already shares that I'm holding. If you are interested to just go over my portfolio, please let me know in comments and we can review my entire portfolio. There are 6 accounts. It will take some time, but one by one I'll be looking into showing what kind of positions I have. That will be an Excel spreadsheet. And yes, the idea here is how to make money in stock market with holding your shares, options trading, buy, sell, call, puts. Um, Also, how to just maybe hold ETF, the whole market ETF, the S&P 500 ETF, as well as adding some small quantities of high yield dividend ETFs, and again taking some small profits every day, like bring buying Apple, Amazon, Meta, etc. shares and just selling it at a profit. So there are like a mix of bunch of strategies here, and the goal here again is, as the channel name says, is to get the financial freedom and early retirement. The goal here is to reach 2 million in portfolio numbers, and also getting 200,000 per year from the stock trading gain. So stay tuned. If you like this video so far, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next video. Thank you for watching.